We'll guide you through how to integrate Asana and Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for the Asana for Gmail add-on. Once you find it, click on it and then hit the Install button. You'll be prompted to allow permissions to connect your Gmail with Asana. Make sure you read the permissions and then click Allow to proceed. After the installation, go back to your Gmail inbox. You'll notice a new Asana icon on the right sidebar. Click on this icon to open the Asana panel within your Gmail. Now you need to log into your Asana account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your Asana credentials and complete the login process. Once logged in, you can start creating tasks directly from your emails. To do this, open an email that you want to convert into a task. With the Asana panel open, click on the Create Task button at the bottom of the panel. You'll see the email subject automatically fills in as the task name, and you can add additional details like the project, assignee, and due date. You can also add any additional notes or descriptions in the Task Details section. Once you're satisfied with the task details, click the Create Task button to save it to Asana. This integration is super helpful for keeping track of action items directly from your inbox without having to switch between tabs. It's a real time saver for managing your workflow efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.